Sabrina Ionescu is an American professional basketball player for the New York Liberty of the Women's National Basketball Association. Ionescu was born in Walnut Creek, California to Romanian-American parents. Her father, Dan Ionescu, escaped communist Romania around the time of the 1989 revolution, seeking political asylum in the United States. A two-time youth gold medalist with the United States, Ionescu made her senior national team debut at the 2022 FIBA Women's Basketball World Cup, where she won a gold medal. She was named to the 2024 Summer Olympics team for USA and won the gold medal at the 2024 Summer Olympics. Ionescu was selected first overall by the New York Liberty in the 2020 WNBA draft. She has been selected to 3 consecutive WNBA All-Star games and has thrice made the All-WNBA team. In 2023, Ionescu set the WNBA single-season record in three-pointers and the WNBA three-point contest record. In the same season, she helped the Liberty reach the WNBA Finals and win their first Commissioner's Cup. Ionescu attended Miramonte High School in Orinda, California, where she was named MVP of the McDonald's All-American Game. Rated the 4th best player in her class by ESPN, she became the highest rated recruit to ever commit to Oregon. As a junior, she led the Ducks to their first Final Four appearance and won the John R. Wooden Award and Wade Trophy as the top player in NCAA Division I. In her senior season, Ionescu was the consensus National Player of the Year and led Division I in assist. She is the Division I career leader in triple-double and holds the Pac-12 Conference all-time assist record. In June 2024, Ionescu was named to the U.S. Women's Olympic team to compete at the 2024 Summer Olympics in France alongside fellow New York Liberty teammate Breanna Stewart. Ionescu and the United States defeated France 67-66 in the final, earning Ionescu her first Olympic gold medal and the United States' 8th consecutive gold medal. On February 17, 2024, Ionescu competed against Stephen Curry in a three-point contest during the WNBA All-Star Weekend. She scored 26 against Curry's 29 points. Ionescu was invited to participate in the 2024 contest but declined the offer. On July 14, 2023, Ionescu scored 37 points in the three-point contest, the highest in WNBA history, making 25 of her final 27 shots. Stephen Curry holds the NBA record of 31 points. The three-point contest is not a unified record between WNBA and NBA as the contest parameters are slightly different for each league as the shooting distance and ball sizes are not equal. On July 6, 2022, Ionescu had 31 points, 13 rebounds and 10 assists to record the first 30-point triple-double in WNBA history. On April 17, 2020, the New York Liberty selected Ionescu with the first overall pick in the 2020 WNBA draft. She played her first game with the Liberty on July 25. In her second WNBA game on July 29 against the Dallas Wings, she recorded 33 points, 7 assists and 7 rebounds in 34 minutes of play.